Okay, children, in this class, introduction, again the topic is Introduction to Trigonometry. In this topic, let us derive the trigonometric ratios of standard angles. Trigonometric ratios of some standard angles. Standard angles means 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These are the 5 standard angles what we are using in these trigonometry. So, let us discuss the trigonometric ratios for these angles. Here, I will take the first one 45 degree. So, why it is 45 degree means in a right angle triangle, if one angle is equals to 45 degree, then the other angle is also equals to 45 degree. So, it becomes an isosceles right angle triangle. If it is an isosceles right angle triangle, two sides must be equal. So, here AB is equals to BC. AB is equals to BC. So, here if AB measures 1 unit, BC measures 1 unit, then what is the value of hypotenuse? To find that one, here we will use the Pythagoras theorem. So, Pythagoras theorem tells us that square on the hypotenuse, that is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. So, this is equals to AB is what here 1 unit I have taken. So, 1 square plus BC is what we have taken. Again it is 1 unit because it is an isosceles right angle triangle. So, 1 square plus 1 square. This is equals to 1 plus 1. So, this is equals to 2. It is equals to 2. So, AC square is equals to 2. So, AC is equals to what? Root 2. AC is equals to root 2. So, the hypotenuse is root 2 units. Hypotenuse is root 2 units. If AB is 1 unit, BC is 1 unit, then hypotenuse becomes root 2 units. So, here we are finding the trigonometric ratios of standard angles. Here, let us find by using angle A. If we use angle A as the reference angle, this becomes opposite and this is adjacent and this is hypotenuse, as you all know it. So, let us find the trigonometric ratios of standard angles of sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Let us find one by one. Here I will find the first one, that is sine 45 degree. Sine 45 degree is equals to what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite is what here? 1 unit. So, 1 divided by root 2. 1 divided by root 2. So, sine 45 is always equals to what? 1 by root 2. Sine 45 is always 1 by root 2. Let us find the next one, cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So, this is equals to adjacent is 1 unit, again it is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. So, cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. Next one, tan 45. Tan 45 degree is equals to, tan 45 is what? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. So, this is equals to 1 by 1. So, this is equals to 1. So, tan 45 is 1. Tan 45 is 1. If we take the ratio between these two, sin 45 divided by cos 45, again it becomes 1. So, tan 45 is nothing but it is sin by cos. So, sin by cos is tan. So, tan 45 is equals to 1. To find the next 3, you know the how to find out, that is cosec. Cosec 45 degree. Cosec 45 degree is equals to what? Hypotenuse divided by opposite. Hypotenuse divided by opposite. Hypotenuse divided by opposite. Hypotenuse is what? Root 2 divided by 1. So, this is equals to root 2 units. Root 2 units. So, cosec 45 is root 2. Let us find this sec. Sec 45 is equals to what? Sec 45 is again hypotenuse divided by adjacent. So, this is equals to hypotenuse is root 2. divided by hypotenuse adjacent is 1. So, this is also equals to root 2. Sec 45 is also root 2. So, next cot. So, cot 45 degree is equals to, cot is what? Adjacent by opposite. Adjacent divided by opposite. So, this is also equals to 1 by 1. So, this is also equals to 1 children's. So, in this way we can find the standard angles trigonometric ratios. So, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, tan 45 is 1, cosec 45 is root 2, sec 45 is root 2, cot 45 is 1. Cot 45 is 1. So, these are the trigonometric ratios of standard angle 45. Trigonometric ratios of standard angle 45. Let us discuss the next trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree children's. Okay children, let us find the next standard angles here, 30 degree and 60 degree. To find 30 degree and 60 degree, here I have drawn an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle ABC. Equilateral means all the three sides are always equals. Here I have taken AB is equals to 2 units and BC is also equals to 2 units and AC is also equals to 2 units. So, here AM is the altitude drawn from the opposite vertex A to the BC. So, it divides this 60 degree into two equal parts, 30 degree and 30 degree. So, here it is perpendicular to the BC. So, it is 90 degree. So, here we do not know the length of altitude. Here we do not know the length of altitude. To find out that one, again we have to use the Pythagoras theorem. So, let us use the Pythagoras theorem, that is AC square is equals to AC square is equals to, AB square is equals to, it is AB square is equals to AM square plus BM square. AM square plus BM square. So, this is equals to AM square is what? We do not know, that is what we have to find out. AB square is equals to what here? 2 square. AB square is equals to 2 square. So, AM square as it is plus BM square is what? 1 square. So, BM square is 1 square. AB square here it is 2 square is 4. So, this is equals to AM square plus 1. Take that 1 on this side, it becomes 4 minus 1 is equals to AM square. So, AM square is equals to 3. So, AM is equals to what? Root 3. AM is equals to what? Root 3. So, this is AM is equals to root 3 is what? It is the altitude, that is the value of AM. Value of AM is what here? Root 3. Is that clear? So, here 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree is there. Let us find the standard angles trigonometric ratios of 30 degree. If I consider this 30 degree as this angle A as the reference angle, so it is 30 degree. So, let us find all these 6 trigonometric ratios of sine. We will write both together, 30 degree and 60 degree. 30 degree, this is a 60 degree, I will write together sine, next one is cos, next one is tan, next cosec, next sec, next cot. Okay, we will write all the 6 trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree together. Let us write the first one, sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree means what? This is the 30 degree, sin 30 it is, this is 30 degree. So, it is adjacent side. AM is adjacent side, BM is opposite side and AB is hypotenuse. AB is hypotenuse. So, let us find the sin 30. Sin 30 degree is equals to, sin 30 is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. So, opposite is 1 unit, hypotenuse is 2. So, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30. Cos 30 is what? Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent is root 3, hypotenuse is 2. So, it is root 3 divided by 2. Root 3 divided by 2. Next, tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is what? opposite by adjacent, 1 by root 3. 1 divided by root 3. So tan 30 degree is equals to 1 by root 3. That is opposite is 1, adjacent is root 3. So next cosec. Cosec is what? Cosec is hypotenuse by opposite. That is 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is 2. Cosec is 2. Next sec 30 degree. Sec 30 degree is what? Sec is reciprocal of cos. That is adjacent hypotenuse divided by adjacent, 2 by root 3. 2 divided by root 3. Next cot is what? Cot is the reciprocal of tan. That is adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite is what? Root 3 divided by 1. Root 3 divided by 1 is what? Root 3. Is that clear? So this is sin 30, this is cos 30, this is tan 30, and this one is cosec 30, this is sec 30, and this one is cot 30. To find the next sin 60 degree, sin 60 degree means we have to take the reference angle as a B. If we take this reference angle as a B, then this altitude becomes opposite side and this becomes adjacent side. It becomes adjacent side, hypotenuse remains the same. So sin 60 is equals to what? Opposite by hypotenuse, that is root 3 divided by 2. Root 3 divided by 2. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse, it is 1 by 2. It is 1 by 2. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse is 1 by 2. Next tan 60. Tan 60 is what? Opposite by adjacent, that is root 3 divided by 1. Root 3 divided by 1 is root 3. Next cosec 60 degree. Cosec 60 degree is what? It is the reciprocal of sine, that is hypotenuse divided by opposite. Hypotenuse is what here? 2 divided by opposite is what? Root 3. 2 by root 3. So cosec 60 degree is 2 by root 3. Next sec 60 degree. Sec 60 degree is what? Sec is the reciprocal of cos, that is hypotenuse divided by adjacent, 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is what? 2. Next cot. Cot is the reciprocal of tan, so that is adjacent by opposite, 1 by root 3. It is 1 by root 3. So cot 60 is 1 by root 3. In this way we can find the 30 degree and 60 degree. Already we got the 45 degree. So next sin 30 degree and 60 degree. So sin 30 is what? 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Cosec is root 2 by 1. Sec is 2 by root 3. Sec 30. Cot 30 is root 3 by 1. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Tan 60 is root 3. Cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. Sec 60 is 2. Cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Cot 60 is 1 by root 3. So which angles left here? We have left the only two angles. One is a 0 degree and another one is a 90 degree. So we have to take, if we take the reference angle as A, I have to make that one equals to 0, and then we have to find out the 0 degree angles, and then we have to make angle A as 90 degree, then we have to find. Let us find that one also, childrens, by drawing the diagram, then you will understand it. Okay children, let us understand the 0 degree here. To understand the 0 degree, here it is not possible to identify the 0 degree in the right angle triangle. So here small trick is, here I have taken the right angle triangle ABC. So here I am making angle A is equals to 0. How I am making angle A is equals to 0? This by moving AC side towards the B. AC side towards the B. It means here it is like this. If I take this one like this, here it comes and close and it coincides on this one. See here, observe here it is decreasing. Here again angle A is a decrease, BC is coming towards C point is coming towards B. Again here it is a decrease very less, so C is come closer to B. it becomes very less, again C is come closer to B. Now here C comes and coincides on B, C comes and coincides on B, that AC side becomes equals to, this AC side becomes equals to AB. So here AB becomes equals to AC. So let us find sine 0 degree. So this angle A I have taken. So sine 0 degree is equals to sine 0 is what? Here it is opposite, it is adjacent, it is hypotenuse. As we did the procedure here sine is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. So BC divided by AC, BC divided by AC. Here BC becomes equals to what? BC comes closer and closer and comes, C comes and coincides on B, so it becomes less and less and it comes closer to 0. So BC becomes 0. So 0 divided by AC, AC becomes equals to AB. So 0 by AC is equals to 0 degree, children. So sine 0 is 0. Sine 0 degree is 0. Let us find the cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree is what? Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is what here? AB. Adjacent by hypotenuse. AC comes and closer to AC. Here AB is equals to AC. So this is equals to AB by AB, because AB is equals to AC. So this is equals to 1. So cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 degree is equals to 1. So tan 0 degree, next one is tan 0 degree. Tan is what? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite is BC. BC by AB. BC by AB. BC comes closer and it close to 0. So 0 by AB. 0 by AB is equals to what? 0. So tan 0 is 0. So to find the next cosec 0, cosec 0 is what? Cosec 0 degree is it is the reciprocal of this one, 1 by 0. It is 1 by 0 or AC by 0, sorry, it is AC 0 divided by 0. AC divided by 0 is not defined. It is not possible to divide length of AC by 0, so it is not defined. It is not defined. So sec 0 degree is equals to sec 0 degree is equals to reciprocal of cos, that is reciprocal of cos is what? AC by AB. So AC by AB, AC by AB is equals to here AC by AC. So this is also equals to 1. So sec 0 is 1. Next cot 0. Cot 0 degree is equals to, cot 0 is what? A reciprocal of tan AB by BC. AB by BC. So AB by BC is what here? AB by 0. AB by 0. This is also not defined, children. This is also not defined. In this way we can find the 0 degree. We have to make one angle 0 degree. When we make that angle 0 degree, here we have made the angle A is equals to 0 degree. At the same time this hypotenuse comes and coincides on AB. So it becomes AB becomes equals to AC. So here this length of BC becomes 0. So by using this result, sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, tan 0 is 0, cosec 0 is not defined, sec 0 is 1, cot 0 is not defined. So in the same procedure we will find the next one is 90 degree, only that is the angle left with us. Let us find the, okay children, let us find the 90 degree angles ratios here. To find the 90 degrees angles ratio, here I have taken the reference angle as A. I have to make this angle as 90 degree. To make that angle as 90 degree, I am moving this point A towards the B. So as I move towards it B, its angle is increases. Here this angle C comes and closer to B and it is going to decrease. So observe here, this is increasing here. It is increasing, so it is decreasing. Here also it is decreasing. Again here it is increasing. Again here it comes and becomes equals to 90 degree. Angle A becomes 90 degree and AC comes and coincides on AC comes and coincides on BC. So AC becomes equals to BC and this AB becomes a 0. Observe here AB, as we are moving towards AB is coming closer and closer and it is become shorter and shorter. It is going to be 0. At the end, length of AB becomes a 0. This is the procedure to make an angle of 90 degree by using the right angle triangle. So here I made acute angle A is equals to 90 degree. So with reference to angle A, sin 90, let us find sin 90. Here with reference to angle A is this one, opposite side is BC, adjacent side is AB, hypotenuse remains the same. So using that one, sin 90 degree is equals to opposite is BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. So sin 90 BC by AC, here AC is equals to BC, so BC by BC it becomes, so this is equals to 1 children's. So sin 90 degree is always equals to 1. To find the cos 90 degree is equals to, cos 90 is what? Opposite by hypotenuse, sorry, adjacent by hypotenuse it is, adjacent is what here? AB divided by AC. So here AB is becoming what? AB becomes a 0, so 0 by AC, this is equals to 0. So cos 90 degree is equals to 0. To find the tan 90 degree is equals to what? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite is BC by AB. So BC by AB, BC is remains the same and AB becomes 0. So this is equals to tan 90 is not defined. Take the reciprocal of all these, we will get the next 3, that is cosec 90 is equals to, cosec 90 is what? AC by BC, cosec 90 is AC by BC is again remains the same, it becomes 1. It remains the same. Next, sec 90 degree is equals to, here it becomes AC by AB, reciprocal of cos, AC by AB, so it becomes AC by 0. So this is not defined again, it is not defined. So tan 90 degree is equals to reciprocal of this one, AB by BC. So this is equals to AB by BC, 0 by BC. So this is equals to 0 children. So sorry, this one is cot 90 degree. Cot 90 degree is AB by reciprocal of tan, AB by BC. So AB by BC, 0 by BC. Because AB is equals to 0 here, 0 by BC is equals to 0. So children, sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0, tan 90 is not defined, cosec 90 is 1, sec 90 is not defined, cot 90 is 0. So here we got all the 5 standard angles, 6 ratios, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Let us tabulate all these together in only one table. How to write that one? By using the simple tricks. Let us see it. Okay children, let us tabulate all these trigonometric ratios of standard angles in a single table. Here first one, we have derived here, sin 0 is 0. So sin 0 is 0. Sin 30 is what? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 40, sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 divided by 2. Sin 90 is what here? Sin 90 is 1. Sin 90 is 1. So here sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1. This is sin. If you write the reverse of all these, then it becomes a cos. Cos 0 is what? 1. Write the reverse of this one. Cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is what? 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. Cos 90 is what? 0. Cos 90 is what? 0. So reverse of sine is cos. Reverse of sine is cos. Take the reciprocal of these. Ratio of sine and cos. Then you will get the tan. This is very important trick to write the next tan. 0 by 1. 0. Tan 0 is 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. Take the ratio of these two. Ratio of these two is what? Root 3 by 2. Again it becomes that is 1 by 2 whole divided by root 3 divided by 2. So it becomes, this is equals to 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Sorry, this becomes root 3 divided by 1. Wait children, here it is a little bit confusing. Here tan, okay, it is 1 by 2 into, ratio of this one is 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3, 2 get cancelled, this is equals to 1 by root 3. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is what? Ratio of these two. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 is what? 1. Next tan 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 divided by, that is root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. So 2 get cancelled. This is equals to root 3. So this is root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. So tan 90 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is what? Not defined. 0 by 1 is not defined. Next cosec is reciprocal of sine, 1 by sine. So 1 by sine is what? 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is what? Not defined. 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by 2 is what? 2. 1 by 2 is what? 1 divided by 1 by 2 is 1 into 2 by 1. So it is 2. So next cosec 45 is what? Sine reciprocal of this one, it is root 2. Cosec 60 is what? It is reciprocal of this 2 by root 3. And cosec 90 is what? It is the reciprocal of 1. 1 is the, again reciprocal of 1 is 1. Now sec is reciprocal of cos. 1 by 1 is 1. Reciprocal of 60. Sec 60 is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Sec 45 is what? Root 2. Again it is root 2. Reciprocal of this. Sec 60 is what? 2 by 1. It is 2. Sec 90 is what? Sec 90 is reciprocal of 0. Reciprocal of 0 is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. Our reverse of this is sec. 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, not defined. Is that clear? So next cot. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. 1 by 0 is not defined. It is root 3. Cot 30 is root 3. Cot reciprocal of 1 is 1. Cot reciprocal of root 3 is 1 by root 3. So next cot 0 is scot. Scot is reciprocal of cot 90. Cot 90 is the reciprocal of 0 by 1 is 1. 0 by 1 is 1. So this is cot 0 is, cot 90 is 0. cot 90 is 0 children's. In this way we can tabulate all the trigonometric ratios of standard angles ratios. So here by using all these derivations and this tabulation, so you can write very easily the trigonometric ratios of standard angles. So like my videos and comment on this.